boom, what's up viewers and subscribers? You don't know, so it's a boy Fayskull, and welcome to another video. Welcome back to the channel Fayskull Entertainment, isn't it? So before we get started, I want to say, yo, this is the first video me I post on YouTube for the year, isn't me? I say big up to everybody who make it to 2026, isn't me? I say this year will be the year of greatness, changes and improvement. Is me I said this year will be a great year for a lot of persons, you know what I'm saying, and vice versa. It will be a bad year for some persons also. But let's just say, yo, we are gonna have a good year no matter what. You see me? Yeah, man. No matter what, that is it. You see me? So AI, what do you think of the year 2022? Sorry, 2026.
Well, 2026 is shaping up to be pretty interesting. We've got advancements in AI, tech, and a lot of ongoing global trends. There's a focus on sustainability, some exciting innovations, and a lot of cultural shifts happening. It's definitely an intriguing time to be around. What's on your mind about 2026?
The last time I heard that we will be having improvement in quantum technology. Can you explain what that is?
Absolutely. And quantum technology is all about using the principles of quantum mechanics, like superposition and entanglement, to create new kinds of technology. So in 2026, we're seeing improvements in quantum computing, which means more powerful and faster computers that can solve problems that are currently impossible for classical computers. We're also seeing advancements in quantum communication, which can potentially lead to ultra secure data transmission. It's definitely a field that's evolving quickly.
Yeah, so as I can see, technology improve. Is it miss? We can the right here, so a reason with AI. Things that we are actually in the future right now. So really and true, the reason why I say I do this video because I want to react to a video I see on the net. Is it me I say with Massacre and Family. Is it me? So this video was actually created by let's go to it. So that's Kevron Arts. Is it me I say? So we're gonna react to this video. Make sure everything is set. Oh, it is not sure. Alright, hold on, let me make sure I say this sure. Alright, so there it is. It's posted. I should have see that clearly now. Alright, so we react to this video. Is it me I say? This as me I say, yo, this video depicts Massacre and Family clash. Is it me I say? And actually, before me start the video, I want if you leave a comment in the comment section stating who you feel like win the clash between Massacre and Family, whether the Crocs them or the demons them. Is it me I say? So more if you leave a comment, I say me can start one poll and just vote down in the comment section. Is it me? So without no further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let's go. Alright, so Crocs versus Demon. Let's go.
Fixing business fee, and I work in secret fee. Come from the markup box, say you turn idiot. From that me not see back the nice gun idiot. Me know your style to run out and run in back, plug out and plug in back. No good is a shit that. Come at top of feature, me no need that. How the demon feel you know Jesus? Backstage in the beat, you say not need that. Keep on this way you speak.
Man, I lie. This is well put together. You see me I say? But the jaw in them, bro. The jaw in them just look mess up. They look fuck up, hombre. Look on the yo. Hombre, nah, bro. This bad still no, but the jaw in the coin, yo, brother.
You don't mean that. Looking at the Glock and you will find hope. Touch around the table with a suicide note. Have a matic full of hollow pussy, you know try ball too. Got chuck up in your mama like to them. I'm looking like scope, shut up 39 down. Unfeared up in me make you look like crew. You a croc so you a go kill my skin to pyro. Let me tell you how me find out. Jano killer ya. Fixing business fee. you going 16. A 3 killer with 316. It me say me a the go town for them.
Massacre time now, let's go.
Michael up to the boat in the west. Everybody want the king and not no less about the bottom of the possession to stitch up on up. Flesh, we no day man, young sex, find some fish we pray man undress. Sturdy, but watch your pussy face father heard. When gunman, one plant crocodile west side of my sound. Pull it up a face in a spoil up a crown. Sound fine, anyway we drive up. Some pussy family, you will lie down a ground. Bout psycho, you cry to guy pan phone, I'm a break up. Pussy you a swipe your clown, shut a strike you. I'm one right side down, man a hype you. We badness a home ground. You broke like dog, look a pussy way on. You mally out yours, your career just a drown. One man fight can't infant rounds by mummy house. Straight cash not loan. Killer crash them.
Alright, this is a part now. They see the rhythm, yeah, and the way how them construct the audio upon the rhythm, that was flawless. Them mash it out good. Listen to this.
Party, bust them fiesta, cut them party. Madu back them shortly. One bomb inna the fish, pan them nasty. What do them me no know what do them? What do them me no know what do them? What do them me no know what do them? What do blood clot them? You a junkie. Pussy with your killer we no boss. You a find for your room na your boss house. You sweep the yard and Sean walk the dogs out. Nothing wash it plate them, so the yard start out. Back soup, shut up for your all bout. I know you can't say you're not snap out. Somebody for your ass smoke. Stop calling sick and name that your chance. Empty, just like your passport. People we kill you no box out. Full anybody face me a war about. The new king you know. Bumbo can't out. Alright. What do them me no know what do them? What do them me no know what do them? Alright. What do them me no know what do them? How about to
family.
The hard baller kick them cold up. Which new king a man crown them a horn up. Fans them why you come out of the floor, but from the real cool to the high to the chorus. Which program when you know? When you big fan, you know why you focus. Your badness bogus. Show me, I show you. With this how you afraid to load up. If you see me with broom and in the yard, I see me weaving in your corner beat. Them a broom and a leaning in the corner G. Them a broom ya make people free of the street. Them broom you can't dream the neighbor see. Them broom ya trouble harbor be a police. Them broom ya travel with come half a sea. Me no laps in a war, me a the war machine. Authority when me a the gunshot like a charity. Nobody me no sorry for me war with strategy. Call no a policy. Remember after me this gunshot. Anyway me kitchen no a walk it. Any young graves when me mix when me mally with shot. Praise me daughter badness politics. Boy we do that disappear poof magic. Police are ask the body for the family. One bag of pussy number that for nothing. The dan beat you up and you dog a ugly. 438 new record a running. Only a bad pan pro to plug in. Speed nobody no hesitate. Why roll?
Yeah man, so that is the end of that, you see me I say. As me I say, yo, this is well put together, you see me. Anybody who met this Kevron Arts, yo, this bad. You see me? So as me I say, yo, more want to leave a comment in the comment section, stating who you know feel like win the clash. As me I say, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so that I can get more videos like this. Now without no further ado, Fayskull out. Let's go. Boom. Hey yo, listen to this video.
You're learning how to move forward even when motivation is gone and nothing feels exciting anymore. You show up on days that feel heavy, quiet, and unrewarding because you understand something most people never do. Consistency builds results long before inspiration ever arrives. This phase isn't glamorous, but it's shaping your character in ways money alone never could. You're beginning to see that discipline isn't about force, it's about respect. Respect for your future, your goals, and the life you want to create. Every time you choose focus over distraction, effort over comfort, and patience over impulse, you're strengthening the version of yourself that can actually handle success when it comes. Stay committed to this season. The habits you're building now will one day make the lifestyle you dream about feel stable, earned, and natural, not rushed or fragile.
Success is a slow process. You know what I mean? Things take time. Everything will fall into place when the right time comes. You know what I mean? So don't ever give up. Don't ever feel like you're falling behind. You know what I mean? Just always remember, everybody have a different timing. And God is the ultimate timing every single time. You know what I mean? Let's go.
Fayskull on the beat 100.